Svarog was an important god in Slavic mythology. God, a being worshipped as divine. He was the god of fire, blacksmithing, and the sun. Fire, heat and light from burning. It was believed that he created the sun and looked after fire in homes. Believed, thought to be true. People believed that Svarog used fire to create the world. Create, to make something new. Thanks to him, the sun traveled across the sky, and fire burned in hearths. Traveled, moved from one place to another. Svarog was also the protector of blacksmiths. Protector, someone who keeps others safe. It was through his power that they could create tools and weapons. Power, the ability to do something. In myths, Svarog had two sons, Swarozic and Dashbog, myths, traditional stories about gods. Swarozic symbolized fire and Dashbog, the sun. Symbolized, represented something. Some researchers think that Swarozic is just another name for Svarog. Researchers, people who study things to learn. In any case, Svarog was considered a god of order and harmony. Harmony, a state of peace or balance. Svarog is mentioned in ancient texts, such as the Primary Chronicle. Mentioned, talked about, or referred to. There, he was compared to the Greek god Hephaestus, who was also a god of fire and blacksmithing. Compared, looked at for similarities. Scholars see similarities between Svarog and other fire gods from different cultures. Similarities, things that are alike. They offered him crops and fire. Offered, gave something to someone. His worship was particularly strong in places where fire played a key role, such as in blacksmiths' workshops. Worship, showing respect and love for a god. Svarog was a symbol of strength, not only physical, but also spiritual. Strength, the quality of being strong. He taught people perseverance and hard work. Perseverance, not giving up. Thanks to him, they could face challenges and achieve their goals. Challenges, difficulties or problems. The fire that Svarog represented was very important. Represented stood for something. It gave people warmth and life, but it could also destroy everything. Destroy, to ruin completely. It reminded people that balance and respect for the forces of nature were essential. Balance, a state of stability. Svarog reminded people that fire is a gift that must not be misused. Misused, used in the wrong way. Thanks to him, humans could grow and change the world. Grow, to become bigger or better. At the same time, a lack of respect for fire could lead to chaos, complete disorder. Svarog was therefore not only a god, but also a teacher. Teacher, someone who helps others learn.